The brave target group. We need to identify the group, and we need to take into consideration the fact that these people need to look for a meaning in life and look for a job. So these two aspects are very important for us to identify the group. We don't care about the age. Of course, they need to be adults, so they need to be over 25. And we need to involve them wherever they are from. We don't care their original place, where they come from. And we don't need any certification that certify their unemployment. This is not required by the project. This said, let's go to see what will happen in Valencia. Valencia will be the first additional workshop aiming at defining the first steps to be taken when we deliver the transnational training in Valencia, again in Spain, in June. So we will have 2 days when indeed it will be 1.5 days. We will arrive in Valencia late in the morning, so the meeting will start at 1 and will finish at 6, and then we will have a joint dinner together. The partners will meet the first day, so no unemployed people will be involved in the first day, as our aim will be to define the contents and the tools to be used the next day, the following day, with the target group. So what we will do in Valencia is to review the project goals first, so to agree upon the main aspects of the projects, specifically as far as the intellectual output 1 is concerned. Then step 2 will be to present the tools that every attending partners will put on the table. We will start from the Netherlands, showing the Lego and Agile approach, and then everybody there in the room can add their experience and their tools in order to increase and improve the approach that we will select for the following day. It is important, absolutely important, not to show any PowerPoint. We will need to work together to brainstorm, to think about what will be good and what will be effective, and so we don't need anything to be prepared for that day, because everybody will have his own experience to bring. Important. Our aim, our objective is to know our clients, and the clients will be the target groups, so the unemployed people. So that's our objective for the first part of the workshops, so of the training. So the 2 topics that we will work upon will be know yourself and discover your personal potentials. So the tools and methodologies that we will discuss and we will identify together on the basis of our experiences for this first workshop will be aimed at working on knowing yourself and discover your personal potentials of the target group. Then the third aspect of the first day is the definition of contents for day 2. So in this brainstorming that we will do, and this is joint work on the definition of what to be done the next day, questions will be important because they will identify the contents to be outlined for the following day. And then finally, we will define the questions for the evaluation. It will be important to collect feedbacks from the participants, and this will be done through the Mentimeter, and so we need to define questions together. The following day, day 2, will be split into morning and afternoon. In the morning, we will have the unemployed people present in the room from 9 to 1. And we will test the training, the first training phase with them. And we will ask them to assess what we will have done through Mentimeter. What is important from the hosting partner, from Valencia, in this case from FIG, is to ask people the authorization to be filmed and to take photos of them. So this is very important because we will need to film and take photos. In the afternoon, only the partners will be there. The people, our target group, will not be there anymore. And we will speak about what happened in the morning. And so it will be a retrospective moment on speaking about the activities we carried out in the morning, and then we will collect feedbacks. We will see what worked and what did not work, what's next, and important is what can be improved and what will need to be changed in the program that we outlined the day before. Close. Yeah, close. Finished.
Close.
Close.
The closing.
So see you in Valencia, and if you have any comment, please tell us. Very important to say, this is the outline of the Valencia workshop. The other two workshops in Romania and in Italy will be very similar in the structure, but will go deeper into details of the other aspects of the training, as you can read in the application form. And what we think will be important is that in Romania, we will have 1 day with the participants, with the target group, in order to test again 2 hours what we achieved in Valencia. So the first phase of the training. Then we will go on with the following steps. When we meet in Italy in April, we will still have 2 full days, and we will test the whole training. So we will add the last bit with the same structure. We will discuss and debate and create the model, the approach, the first day within the partners, and then we will deliver the following partners to the target group. And then the training will be ready to be delivered in the transnational training session in Valencia in June. Ciao.